I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the chart object itself. Click its border so Excel highlights the whole chart. Once done, press Delete to remove an embedded chart. That is the direct method. If the chart sits on a separate chart sheet, select that Sheet tab, then right-click the tab and choose Delete to remove the entire chart sheet. Make sure to confirm any prompt. If you cannot click the chart, use the selection pane to find and select the object before deleting it. You use the selection pane when charts are hard to target or hidden behind shapes. Open Home, Find and Select, then Selection pane. Once the pane is visible, click the chart name such as Chart 1 to select it. The corresponding object highlights on the sheet so you can be sure you have the right item. After selection, press Delete or right-click the chart and choose Cut or Delete. This removes it cleanly. If there are multiple charts, repeat selections to remove each one and you finish by saving the workbook so the deletion is permanent. Use Save or Ctrl+S. If you accidentally remove the wrong chart, immediately press Ctrl+Z to undo and restore it. Make sure to verify related data ranges if you expect automatic chart updates later. If deletion fails, check that the sheet isn't protected and that objects aren't locked. Go to Review right arrow Unprotect Sheet and uncheck Object Protection, or use the selection pane to reveal and unlock the chart before trying the Delete key again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.